Hello everyone. We are looking at phase 5, chapter determinant, exercise 2. Yeah, question number 6. Okay. It's again on the property of determinant. So we have been given a 3 into 3 determinant and we have to find the value of, so element multiplied with it. All right, not the corresponding cofactor. So this is a important determinant property that we should always remember. A11 with C11 plus A12 with C12 plus A13 with C13. This gives the value of the determinant. This gives the value of the determinant. All right. Now, if any element is multiplied with any other series of cofactor, any other series, then it gives us always 0. So two things we must remember, that the element must be multiplied with its corresponding cofactors. And if it is multiplied with any other set, it gives us 0. At the same time, if we multiply A11 with any random cofactor, then the value is, we can't tell what the value is going to be. It is obviously it's going to be random. So this is an important property. Both of this we should remember. All right. Thank you.